Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth without a slow cooker. First, gather your bones, whether from beef, chicken, or fish. Roasting them beforehand at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes will significantly enhance the flavor and color. While the bones are roasting, chop up your aromatic vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions. These will add a wonderful depth to your finished broth, making it truly delicious. Once your bones are roasted and vegetables are prepped, place them all into a large stock pot. Cover everything with cold water, ensuring all ingredients are submerged. Add about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This helps extract minerals from the bones. Bring the pot to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a very gentle simmer. Let it cook for 12 to 24 hours. During the simmering process, you'll notice foam and impurities rising to the surface. Use a spoon to skim these off periodically for a clearer broth. Once your broth has simmered for the desired time, carefully remove the bones and vegetables. Then, strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to ensure a smooth, clean broth. Allow it to cool completely. After your bone broth has fully cooled, transfer it to airtight containers. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, perfect for immediate use. For longer storage, freeze the broth in smaller portions. It can last for several months this way. This makes it easy to grab just what you need for recipes. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.